Guys, Miguel here with a quick video again. This video is how I install bird begone pigeon spikes on these concrete pillars. Basically, I don't want to drill any holes on top, so what I'm using to place them on top is Loctite PL375. Wait for that plane to pass by. Using a Loctite PL375 heavy duty construction adhesive. You can also use a concrete silicone sealant to put them up. So basically, I've already laid the bead down for the silicone where I'm gonna do it because I was gonna make this video, and pretty much this is what the pigeon spikes look like. And for this particular length, I am going to cut out the two tabs that meet in the middle, or one on each side. And how I do that is just with a pair of pliers. And basically, I'm just gonna hold it right here, and then I'm gonna bend this and break it off. There you go. I just bent and took out the last spike. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other one. You just bend it, and then it'll break off right at the end. And then let's see if we could do this with, there you go, focus. With my bead of adhesive down, I just lay the pigeon spike on top, and then I push down, and that sucker will not go anywhere forever. And it'll keep these pillars fairly clean. So I like to push them down, put a generous amount, push them down in every single spot. And basically when you're done, that's what it looks like right there. On the pillar, that's what it's gonna look like. We're gonna walk down over here, and I'm gonna show you other pillars that I've done a few years back, but then the pigeons made their way down this way. Try to keep this video as short as possible, but basically that's what the pigeon spikes look like. And with that adhesive, this has been up here for years without any screws. Amazon link will be on the description. Thanks for watching.